December 2023 is the time for the 4th edition of the Optical Wireless Communication Conference. It will be held in Eindhoven again. As it is the 4th edition, the main focus will be on the 6th generation of wireless communication networks, which may not only be radio communication, optical communication may be part of it, which means that we may have to communicate to the end devices, to the client devices, the end customers, but also the whole network behind it, the interconnection between base stations, is a place where huge bit rates needs to be communicated, and possibly optical communication via lasers, through satellites is a solution there. Nick, that is exactly one of the topics that you, also as a member of the Technical Program Committee, are really looking into, and it is an exciting hot topic at this moment.
It is indeed very exciting, Jean-Paul. Long-range and space optical communication is really taking off now. Several field tests and in-orbit demonstrations are planned for the very near future, and the first generation of terminals and products is developed by industry. However, over long distances, FSO communication will face serious challenges of atmospheric turbulence, scattering, clouds, and pointing losses. So this brings me to the question, how can long-range optical wireless communication become part of the 6G network? Which technology is still missing here? How reliable can we make these FSO links through atmosphere? And which technologies will become the key enablers for optical satellite communication to enter 6G. In our optical wireless communication conferences, long-range optical communication and 6G is one of the central themes.
Yeah. Here you're talking about many different technical challenges, although when I see the publications there, it's usually about more bits per second over longer distances, but yes. That does not immediately say where the technical challenges themselves are. Air turbulence, possibly, the speed of these satellites, tracking them.
No, I agree. It's of course, it's about data rate, but it's also about reliability because the conditions are difficult and fluctuating. So reliability will be, or already is, a key challenge of these type of links. Yeah. And also because over fiber, compared to fiber, there is a latency advantage, potential latency advantage, which then brings us to maybe LEO, networks of LEO satellites.
Which move faster and where tracking may be a problem.
Yes.
We have seen this be a very hot topic in academic research, but we also see quite a number of companies starting to produce these products. So that may be a very exciting moment because then you also see a shift, you see new real problems popping up. And I guess that is something where you hope to see interesting papers for the Optical Wireless Communication Conference.